If you ever tried making product ads and thought, now I need a model, a studio, and 12 hours of editing, same here. So today I am testing Wizstar. It is an AIGC content creation platform for both e-commerce and brand marketing. And guess what? Wizstar just dropped Seedance 2.5 and it is only 99 cents. So I could not wait to jump in and try it. And what I am going to specifically try is their reference to video feature. Because I am so tired of AI tools giving you 6 random clips that don't match, and then I sit and I have to Frankenstein it all together. So what we're doing today is a real walkthrough, a consistency test, and I will tell you what I actually like, what to look for, and of course, pricing. Okay, this is the type of result we're aiming for. Clean lighting, the product stays recognizable, and the character doesn't randomly morph between shots. If you sell online or run ads, you already know. This is the difference between scroll and wait. What is that? So again, maybe you are asking, what is Wizstar? As I said, it is an AI content creation platform for e-commerce and brand marketing. What is cool is that it combines AI video generation, AI avatars, translation, and lightweight creation tools so that you can produce professional looking content much faster. And I am here to be honest, I am not looking for AI magic marketing. I am looking for 2 main things. Number 1, I want to properly stress test reference to video because from what I've seen, this is the feature that most creators need right now. Number 2, since Seedance 2.5 just launched, I am actually curious to see how it looks in the video. Can it keep the product and the character consistent shot after shot, or is it going to fall apart like I have seen in other AI tools? And I will go ahead and sprinkle in 1 additional bonus feature for international sellers. New users can get free credits when they sign up. So go ahead, create an account, and you can go follow along with me and try it for yourself. So you go to wizstar.com and you log in. You can use Google or third-party email accounts like Outlook, Gmail, iCloud, or Yahoo. Now we are going into Video Generator and selecting Reference to Video. This is the feature I care about because it supports native single segment generation up to 30 seconds. And that sounds like a small detail, but it is not, because when you are forced to stitch a bunch of 5-second clips, you get weird lighting jumps, camera movement that doesn't match, and the whole thing feels off. So here is where Wizstar gets interesting. You can input up to 50 multimodal reference materials at once, mixed text, images, videos, and even audio. My first reaction was, okay, that is a lot, but also that is exactly what I want, because I'd rather show the model what I mean than write a novel of prompts. It can build storylines based on your product selling points, and it is designed to match local expression habits. Which is nice because most of us aren't trying to be full-time storyboard artists. We just want an ad that feels like it has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Wizstar can output 4K cinematic quality, and it says prompt adherence is improved by 20% versus its 2.0 version. I'm always cautious with stats like that, but if it means fewer re-renders, that is a real win. Now let's hit generate and see how the final video turns out. So now for the real test, product consistency. Because I truly don't care how cinematic it looks if the product turns into a different thing halfway through. So here is what I'm looking for. Stable product shape, realistic texture, and especially logos and text staying clean. So I am generating 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 is a clean studio product hero, and scenario 2 is a lifestyle scene. And what we're checking is, does it still look like the same item? Are the details readable? And of course, would I be comfortable running this as an ad? Next test is character consistency. If you are using people in your ads, you need the character to stay consistent throughout the process. No random face drift, no weird body deformation, no who is this? So Wizstar's pitch is near human visual quality and consistent identities across multiple shots, plus natural micro expressions. So what I am actually comparing is different scenes and angles and looking for drift when the camera changes. Here is a quick bonus if you sell internationally. AI video translation. Wizstar supports translation across 75 languages, and it is built for emotional voiceovers with lip alignment, so it doesn't look like a bad dub. Hello, beautiful people. As you may already know, I am competing for Miss Florida USA in just a few short days.
Hallo zusammen! Wie ihr wisst, nehme ich in wenigen Tagen an der Miss Florida USA-Wahl teil. Hola gente guapa, ya saben, en pocos días compito para ser Miss Florida USA.
Also, the first time free trial allows you to upload up to 5 minutes. which is actually generous compared to other apps where you can only do 1 minute. Overall, if you are a creator, a seller, or a marketer and you require some ad creation fast, then Wizstar is worth testing, especially for the reference to video feature and the consistency improvements. So just to recap, here is the big why. First of all, you have the model, which is the Seedance 2.5. Plus, you have a flexible multimodal selection. And second, you have a pricing advantage. It is free for new users and you get the Seedance 2.5 for 99 cents. So if you want, I can do a part 2 of this video where I build 3 completely different product ad styles and I compare them all 3. And we can decide which angle looks best. So go ahead, drop a comment, tell me what you sell and on which platform you run ads on. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you check out my friends at Wizstar, the link in the description of this video. And if you like what I do, consider liking, subscribing, and commenting, turn on post notifications. You can follow me on social media and on Patreon, and I will see you guys soon in the next one.